Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is not makeup related at all, but I am going to show you how to save some money on some fall time / winter apparel. So forget what I look like. This is what I'm gonna look like the whole video. So just go with it if you are interested in how to save money on fall and winter apparel. We're gonna talk about that, so let's go ahead and jump into it. The other day, I posted a picture on Instagram and Facebook, and I was wearing like an orange sweater. I got a lot of messages asking where I got that. The answer to that question is I actually bought that for my ex-husband, and he decided that he did not want to be with me anymore. So he's not here. He cheated on me, and so all the things that I bought him that he decided not to take when he went to be with his girlfriend, I have transformed into my fall and winter wardrobe. So that orange hoodie I actually bought, he left it behind, so I transformed it. I cut the hood off, I transformed it into something that I wanted to wear, cut some cute holes in it because, you know, like holes in shit is the new in thing. So that's what we're going to do today. I have one that I actually did this morning. It's a Carhartt one, so when I'm feeling my most country hardworking self, I just cut the hood off and then I cut a couple of holes. You can see right here, and then I cut some down here on the pocket as well. It does make the holes look a little bit better after you've washed it, just because it kind of frays it a little bit. But girl, feel free to just do your own thing and wear it like right after you cut it. I cut a little slit here so we can show some cleavage for the next piece of shit or not piece of shit that we date. Hopefully not a piece of shit, but with men these days, it's hard to tell. No offense to any men watching this, because women can be just as shady and just as slutty. So today I'm gonna show you that you can do this with a t-shirt as well. So this is a shirt that I bought him from Rue 21 that says Stacks. If you don't know what stacks are, that's money. We all know that not everyone that wears a shirt that says Stacks actually has stacks. So this came from Rue 21. There's already some holes in it, but it has like a nice patch underneath to cover it. We're gonna cut the collar off, and then we're gonna make some holes that are not covered to show some skin. So let me find my scissors here somewhere, and then we'll start. Aha! So we're using these cute little ice cream scissors that belong to my daughter. And oh yeah, there's holes on the side here too. Any scissors, even if they're this small, as long as they're sharp enough to cut through the fabric of your cheating ex, should be fine. So what I like to do is I like to lay this on a flat surface, but I like to start right here at the line. So I will just take my scissors and just cut. So I'm starting, let me cut this a little bit and show you. I start a little bit below the collar, see? And then I just cut it all the way across. And it doesn't have to be perfectly straight because it's gonna lay off the shoulder anyway. This shirt is actually one that he took with him when he originally left. And then a week after he left, he came here and me, and then left and didn't come back after that. So this is what the collar should look like. You can just turn this into a headband, or you can just throw it away. All right, so that's what the collar looks like now. So I like to kind of just take my fingers and like stretch it a little bit because I want this to lay off the shoulder. This is like my favorite color, by the way, this olive green. And then I like to take the shirt and set it up on my chest right here, like kind of how it's gonna lay. And then I like to take the scissors and just cut that down to make a little V. And then I kind of just take my fingers on the fabric. And there we go. And then if you wanted to cut some additional holes, like if I wanted to put some holes right here, what I like to do is just take the scissors and I'll just go into the fabric like that. And then kind of take my finger like that. And then again, and then you can just do as many as you want all the way around. So I'm just gonna do a few. All right, so I did 5 there. And then I'm just gonna take my finger and kind of ruffle them around. And then feel free to make those holes however you want. But this is how easy it is, ladies, men, whatever. So simple. So I'm gonna fold this up and then we're gonna do a sweater and then that'll be it. So this is a nice Tommy Hilfiger sweater that he used to wear when we would go to family functions. Obviously, he's not gonna need this for family functions anymore because he won't be going to family functions with us. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this into a cute little ripped up sweater that I can wear to family functions or out on a date with whoever I choose to date after this. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut the collar. I'm gonna start a little bit below it. We're just gonna go for it. This, I should probably be using bigger scissors because I don't, oh, they're gonna go. They've made little kid scissors like savage. They're like super sharp. I remember when I used little kid scissors in school, there was like no point to them. Like they barely cut paper, let alone fabric. All right. All right, so we have another one of these. You can use as a headband. Ooh, that one actually has a little design there. Tommy Hilfiger doing it big. All right, so I have cut the neck off. And then this one has like a little V right here. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut on those lines to cut our little V out. We're just gonna trace with our scissors that little area and just completely cut it out. All right, so there's the V cut out. And then I am gonna put holes in this because that's how I want it to look. There's a little bit of the tag left. You can easily just, I was gonna say rip it out, but you can cut that down if you want. All right, so that's that. And then I'm just gonna start putting, like I will probably wear a tank top under this. So I'm just gonna wrap this up and put some random holes in here. Holes are the thing, you know. And this saves you from having to go to a store. I mean, since you've already bought the shit anyway, it saves you from having to go to a store and buy clothes that already have holes. Like, just do it yourself. So I'm just gonna add a few more holes here. And then we'll be good to go. One second, my phone's ringing. That's my best friend. Gonna have to call her back in a minute. All right, so we have put holes in this. We have vintaged it up. Actually, what I think I'm going to do is I'm gonna take these scissors and I'm gonna make slits all the way down one of the arms, not both, one. There's a long blue hair on here and I don't have long hair or blue hair. So that is probably from a girlfriend. That is not me, obviously, but we'll never have to worry about that again. All right, so I have put my holes down the arm. Again, like once I wash this, it'll kind of loosen them up. But if you just take your fingers and kind of stretch it through, it does the same thing. Like if you don't want to have to wash it before you wear it since it's already clean, because I do all the laundry around here. So that's it. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple, pretty easy. Feel free to just cut it however you want. And then I do have lots of other clothes of his, but I'm gonna just take like this flannel. I may cut some holes in this, but I'm just gonna wear it with a cute bra underneath and roll up the sleeves. It'll be super cute. and I have some other dress shirts that I'm gonna kind of tie, do the same thing. So girl, make the most out of what you've bought since you already have it. You've already spent the money on it. You can totally transform this stuff for fall, winter. I'm super into cutting the sweaters since, like I said, you've already paid for it. So it saves you money, it helps heal your broken heart, and you just feel better all the way around. Ladies, I wanna tell you, never let a man make you feel or let a man treat you less than what you are and less than what you deserve. It has taken me a very long time, 11 years actually, to realize that I am worth so much more than I've been treated over the last 11 years. So time to move on, time to turn the chapter and move on. So stay beautiful, love yourself before you love anyone else, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and make sure you have notifications turned on. I forgot how to use words. That is it for now. See you guys in the next video. Love you guys.
Bye.
All right, guys, so one last thing. We're gonna do one more shirt. It is just this black, like, pleated shirt. We're gonna do it together really quick. I'm not gonna really explain in detail what I'm doing since I've already done that twice. But here's the deal. I am giving this away to some woman or man who has been through a terrible, awful breakup and has dealt with a fuck bag of an ex. So here's what we're gonna do. You have to like this video, share this video, and leave a comment below as to why your ex is the shittiest. I'm gonna stretch that neck out. I'm gonna cut a little V here. And then we'll add like a few cute holes. So in the comments below, leave why your ex is a douchebag and how awful your breakup was. We don't have to say any names. It's really, we don't need to say names. I'm not mentioning any names. Everyone already knows. So just leave that in the comment. And what's today? Today is Wednesday. So we will do the giveaway on Monday. I will be drawing a name. So like this video, share this video, and leave a comment on why your ex is the biggest douchebag of all time, and someone will get this awesome custom vintage shirt made by me with customized holes and cut with my daughter's toy scissors. So this is it. So if you want to win this shirt, just do those things. All right, love you guys. See you soon. Bye.